નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, ધોરણ 6 દ્વિતીય સત્ર ગ્રામરમાં જોઈશું કમ્પોઝિશન. એમાં કમ્પ્રિહેન્શન જેના પેજ નંબર છે 37 થી 38. કમ્પ્રિહેન્શનમાં પેરેગ્રાફ આપેલા છે. પ્રથમ પેરેગ્રાફ, તેનો પ્રશ્ન નંબર 1, ઇઝ ધ અરેબિયન ડેઝર્ટ ઓલ ડ્રાય? આન્સર, નો, ધ અરેબિયન ઇઝ નોટ ઓલ ડ્રાય. Number 2, what are oases? Some places with springs and shady trees are called oases. Number 3, why is there a crowd of travelers there? Answer, there is a crowd of travelers there because they get water and shade. Number 4, what are dates? Answer, dates are a kind of sweet fruit. Number 5, what are date palms? Answer, dates fruits trees are called dates palms. Paragraph number 2, question number 1. What was Pratap's father? Answer, Pratap's father was the sarpanch of the village. Number 2, how did Ramu's father earn money? Answer, Ramu's father earned money by repairing shoes. Number 3, the sarpanch loved Ramu. True or false? Answer આવશે false. Question number 4, what did the two friends decided? Answer, the two friends decided to run away. Question number 5, unhappy means? Answer number A, sad. Paragraph number 3, question number 1, where did the elephant go? Answer, the elephant went out a river. Number 2, what did it do at the fruit shop? Answer, it puts its trunk out for the ripe bananas on the shelf. Number 3, what did the shopkeeper do? Answer, the shopkeeper hit the elephant with a big stick. Number 4, what did the elephant do after its bath? Answer, after its bath, the elephant filled its trunk with water. Number 5, what did the elephant do to the shopkeeper? Answer, he stood in front of the shopkeeper, raised its trunk and threw water on him. Paragraph number 3 પૂરો. આગળના વિડીયોમાં જોઈશું પેરેગ્રાફ નંબર 4, 5 and 6. થેન્ક યુ.